Hello guys, welcome to Educate Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In this Databricks tutorial, we are going to learn how to sort the data by using the order by method. Okay, so here we have a table, orders table. From this table, we have created the data frame which is orders df, and here in this data frame we can see all this column. Now we are going to sort the data based on the payment method, and we are going to put the data either in ascending order or descending order. So let's see how to solve this problem. So we are going to use order by method, order by. So inside that we have to pass the payment method column. Okay, so by using the order df variable. Okay, so dot payment method. So that's it, and let's use dot show method in the end. Now we can see the data will be arranged in the ascending order. The cash is coming first, then credit card followed by the debit card, and so on. So by default, if at all we don't use any specific inputs on the payment method, it will take ascending order. If at all we want to display the data in descending order, we can use DESC. Now data will be displayed in descending order. So that's how we can sort the data by using the order by in a PySpark using the Databricks. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video.